automatic packing line for mooncake with tray package. High-speed processing that can handle up to 7,200 mooncakes per hour. Auto filling unit with detecting sensor enabling fast production. Auto tray dispenser realizing tray loading automatically, offering better protection with products. Confix with upper pusher, putting mooncake into tray precisely. Auto film splicing unit, minimizing downtime for film roll changeover. Nice product appearance, increasing customer satisfaction. Soontrue has rich experience and great ability in machinery manufacturing. Advanced factory ensures high product quality and short lead time. Strong team make our deliveries always exceed customer satisfaction.